First, make sure the roof is free from obstacles such as splinters and nails. Pandser EPDM is durable, root-resistant, permanently elastic, and 100% UV resistant. We use an EPDM membrane for this project. This roof cladding foil is made to measure in the factory. Carefully fold the membrane over the roof and make sure not to pull it too tightly. Allow the membrane to rest for about 20 to 30 minutes to remove any accumulated tension from the material. Fold the membrane back on all sides up to 20 centimeters of the edge. Mark 20 centimeters from the edge, all sides, onto the EPDM and the roof surface. Then fold the membrane halfway back lengthwise. Spray half of the roof surface up to 20 centimeters from the edges with Pandser Spray Bond contact glue. Then spray half of the EPDM up to 20 centimeters from the edges. The spray nozzle ensures an even distribution. Allow the contact glue to dry for approximately 15 minutes until the glued surfaces are tack dry. Gradually slide the EPDM from one side away from you. Once it makes contact with the roof surface, it immediately fastens. Press the EPDM using a soft broom. Repeat these steps for the other half of the roof. Use a roller to apply Pandser bonding adhesive to the edge and the upstand. This ready-to-use contact glue ensures an elastic and waterproof connection. Allow the contact glue to tack dry and then gradually slide the final piece of the EPDM from one side away from you. Use the Pandser silicone roller to ensure a proper connection. Fold the EPDM over the raised edge. The silicone pressure roller ensures a tight finish. Check out www.pandser.com for the full range and points of sale.